Hello friends, so this is long time. I am just connecting with you again, and I would like to bring here something new for your growth and development. I think you have already heard about the productivity and growth about the teams. If you are working any professional world and you are a team leader, you are leader, those who are managing the people, and just want to get the results and productivity from the teams, then you should manage few things. And absolutely, if you are doing these things, then you can easily get a major productivity from your team. I have seen multiple leaders, those who always complain that our team is not performing well. They are getting a lot of conflicts, lot of issues from the team, and even giving the proper feedbacks, doing different type of reviews, but still they are not getting the desired results. So why it happens, and what are the basic reasons behind it? If you want to go through all that, then you can easily interact with your team on the day to day basis, and you can get the feedbacks. On the basis of those feedbacks, you can just start some activities, and absolutely, if you are doing all these things, then you can easily make a very strong team, one who could deliver the results which you are expecting. As per my observation, there are few things which you need to implement on immediate basis. First, you should empower your teams. You should delegate the task as per their eligibility and their talent, and then you need to just work with them collaboratively so that they could learn more and they could perform as per your expectations. They could learn new things. They can get the expertise in the given accountabilities. So you should empower your team. Second, motivation. You have to motivate your team on the different ways. There are two things. One is monetary benefit, and second is non-monetary benefit. In monetary benefit, absolutely you are giving them some incentives, goodies, something. And in non-monetary benefits, you are encouraging them, you are making a good environment for them, you are just showing them the career path for the progression. So on the basis of that, you can build a very motivative environment for the team. Third, conflict management. If you are a leader, then obviously you will get a lot of issues from the team and conflicts as well. So you should be prepared to handle those conflicts very cleverly, and you should give them the timely resolution of those conflicts. Third, you should be very flexible in change management. You should bring new technology. You should make aware your team that how you are going to bring the changes and what would be the welfare for the organization, for the employees. So you should be very clever in terms of change management. Third, cross functional communication. You should teach your teams how they can collaboratively communicate to the cross functions, and what are the things they can learn from the different people, how they can make the strategies to work with the different vertical people. Fourth, if you are looking like you have to make a career progression for them, you should bring certain things where you are just creating a path for you the team, and you are just showing them, if they are performing their duties, they are learning different new skills, then how they can get the new positions, or how they can grow in their career. After that, there are certain things more like collaborative leadership. You should also teach them the collaborative leadership, how the people collaborate to each other to learn the things, to implement the things, to strategize the things. So you should teach them all these things. Emotional intelligence, that is also one part of the working culture, which brings the working environment harmony. So you need to teach them about the benefits of emotional intelligence, then they could perform well. Apart from that, you should also align their key KPIs and KRAs so that they could adhere all these things during the working, and they could perform on those things very easily. So these are the basics. You need to tell them, you need to just go through them, and you need to encourage your team to adopt all these things so that they could grow. Not last but least, there is the flexibility and adaptability. You need to teach your team how they need to be flexible and adaptable in this changing environment, to adopt the new technologies, new working environment, and handling different type of work. So if they are doing that, they can easily get the career growth in their life. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.